Staycation na province vibes ba ang hanap nyo? Tara, samahan nyo akong i-explore ang EDL Farm sa Barangay Dolores, Capas, Tarlac. Meron silang restaurant, farmhouse, swimming pool, bar. Napakaganda ng farm nila. Siguradong marerelax kayo dito kasama ang inyong buong pamilya at barkada. For today's vlog guys, naimbitahan tayo ng EDL Farm dito sa Barangay Dolores, Capas, Tarlac. Yan, iikutin natin guys itong kanilang restaurant and of course yung kanilang event center. And mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung place ng kanilang farmhouse and pool. Dito tayo sa pool area ng EDL Farm. So makikita nyo, naka-separate yung kiddie pool. So sa kiddie pool natin nasa 3 feet yung lalim, and then yung kanilang main pool 4 to 5 feet yung pinakalalim niya. Makikita nyo may mini pool siya dito, and napaka-presko ng place dahil napakaraming puno dito. And shower area, nandito siya sa gilid. Nasa likod natin yung kanilang farmhouse. Meron silang standard, regular room, and family room. So check natin guys. Ito ang kanilang regular room na good for 2 to 3 packs. May sariling CR, queen size bed, and syempre fully air condition. Kagandaan ng regular room nila meron kayong view na makikita sa kanilang farmhouse. Merong cabinet with the sleepers. At hindi mawawala dyan yung kanilang menu para makapag-order kayo ng kanilang mga foods and drinks. Merong smart TV, complimentary water, and coffee. Ito naman yung kanilang family room na good for 6 packs. Meron ding cabinet with the sleepers. Meron din itong common toilet and bath. With complimentary water and coffee. Meron silang dalawang bunk beds dito na single bed ang gamit. Meron din silang smart TV. Family room makikita nyo rin yung ganda ng kanilang farm. Ito naman yung kanilang interconnected room. May queen size bed, mga towels, fully air condition. Syempre merong smart TV, complimentary water, and coffee. Meron din mga cabinets dito na pwedeng paglagyan ng mga gamit nyo. Meron din itong sariling CR. Ito naman guys yung area na kung saan pwede kayong magtambay. So all fresco dining siya, nandito na yung bar, and nandun yung kanilang swimming pool. Next natin check guys yung kanilang Balay de Lorenzo Restaurant and Event Center. So pasok muna tayo dito sa kanilang restaurant. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano ba kaganda yung restaurant nila dito. And pag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung mga foods and drinks na in-offer nila dito. Tara! So yan, ganyan kaluwang yung kanilang restaurant. Napakaganda ng setup. Plus puros woods yung pinaka-team niya. So parang rustic design. And kagandaan niya guys, habang nagda-dining kayo dito and naghihintay ng mga friends and families nyo, pwede yung gamitin itong mga board games nila. Kung hindi naman kayo naka-check-in dun sa kanilang farmhouse, pwede din naman kayong mag-dine-in dito sa Balay de Lorenzo Restaurant. Check natin guys kung ano ba yung mga nasa menu nila. Syempre, Dahil nga summer na yan, meron tayong halo-halo. And sa kanilang menu, may mga pork sisig, mga pansit, mga inihaw or mga grilled. So pinaputok na bangus sisig. And meron din silang mga vegetables, snacks. And hindi mawawala dyan guys yung kanilang pasta, appetizers, salads. And of course, syempre, yung kanilang breakfast. Meron din mga canned drinks, cold drinks, and sa mga hot drinks nila guys yan, kung mahilig kayong mag-coffee, pwede kayong pumunta dito sa Balay de Lorenzo. Yan, napakaganda ng view ng restaurant nila and nakaka-relax, very cozy and napakalinis ng place. So sa drinks nila, meron silang brewed coffee, hot farm fresh, calamansi, hot lemon tea, green tea, tapos mga alcoholic drinks meron din naman sila dito, and of course yung mga refreshment drinks nila na fruit shakes.
I'm Nicholas J. Alzadon, Operations Supervisor of Estancia de Lorenzo Tarlac. Estancia de Lorenzo Tarlac opened its doors 5 years ago, that's 2017, to the public. It's composed of our resort, mainly the hotel. We have 9 standard rooms, 4 regular rooms, and 1 family room. And then our rates for our standard room is $2,999 on weekdays, and then $3,249 on weekends. And then we have the regular room, that's an upgraded standard room. The price of the regular room is actually $3,249 at weekdays and $3,749 on weekends. And then we have 1 family room that can cater up to 6 people. The price of the family room is $8,379 on weekdays and then $8,999 on weekends. All of those are inclusive of breakfast. We also have our pavilion that can cater to your event. We can cater, you can also dress up the pavilion. The hotel or the farmhouse also offers bonfire for your barkada needs. And then we also have the complimentary swimming pool. It's also our commodity. And then I will also offer Pinatubo Trek packages that are good for 5 or 4. It's because for family and then for barkada din. We also have our new accommodation site, which is named Casa Lorenzo. It's a mansion that has its own function hall. When you book with us for Casa Lorenzo, it's an all-in-one package. You have accommodation, you have an events venue, and then you have your own swimming pool. We are also inviting you, everyone, come celebrate, dine and relax with us here at Estancia de Lorenzo Tarlac. And this coming March, we have a revival of our farm tourism. So possibly this coming March, we will open our gates to farm tours for you to see our crops, our livestock, our poultry, and many more else. Thank you and come celebrate dine with us here at Estancia de Lorenzo Tarlac.
Kakatapos lang natin ikutin itong buong area ng EDL Farm dito sa Barangay Dolores, Capas, Tarlac. Napaganda ng area, syempre napaka-cozy, napakaluwang, ang sarap sa mata. And kung gusto nyo lang magtanggal ng stress, so perfect na perfect itong place ni EDL Farm. And of course, hindi kayo magugutom dahil meron silang Balay de Lorenzo. Isa ba sa in-offer ng EDL Farm guys, yung kanilang Casa Lorenzo, yung pinuntahan nga natin kanina. So napakaganda nung area. Sariling bahay din siya, kompleto. May function hall, merong griller, merong shower area, mga common CR, may living room. Napakalawak ng kanilang parkingan. Tapos may second floor pa siya na pwede kayong magtambay. Tapos may sarili kayong swimming pool and basketball court. Hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos ko. And of course, huwag niyong kalimutang i-share ang video to para malaman din ng mga ibang kapasenyos natin dyan and mga Tarlaceños and ibang probinsya itong EDL Farm. Abangan natin yung kanilang farm tour. Isa sa mga inaabangan talaga dito sa EDL Farms. Kapag nag-checking kayo, marami kayong pwedeng gawing na activities dito. So until our next vlog, peace out!